welcome in to another stitch tutorial, and this is a basics how to do a double and a half double crochet. So if you've come this far, you'll know how to do a chain. If you don't, that'll be linked down below in the description along with the single crochet. But this is about the half double and the double. So let's chain however many you need. That depends on you or your pattern or your chart or your graph, your schematic, whatever you are working on. Now I'm only showing you a small sample. So for a half double, you will need to yarn over, and depending on your pattern, that's down to the pattern. Sometimes you'll either need to go into the second from the hook or the third. For this, I'm showing you going into the second from the hook. So we're going in. So we now have 3 loops on our hook. We yarn over and pull through 1, 3 loops, and then yarn over and pull through all 3 of those loops to make 1 double crochet. So next one along, in we go, yarn over, pull through 3 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 on your hook, yarn over. Next chain, we go in, yarn over and pull through 3 loops, yarn over, pull through all 3. Now obviously I'm using an exaggerated wool, so hopefully you can see the stitches exaggerated. Yarn over, go into the next chain, yarn over, pull through to have 3, yarn over and pull through all 3 on your hook, yarn over into the next available stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through all 3, and you continue to the end of your project. Now generally speaking, if you are working in half double crochets, on the end of the row, when you have placed in your last stitch, like I just have, this is your slip knot. I've just come to the end. If I'm going to do half doubles up here, then I would chain 2 as a general rule. Patterns, graphs, schematics, etc., they will all differ, but as a general rule, half double crochet require 2 chains, and then you just carry on as usual. So you turn after chaining, yarn over into the next stitch, yarn over and pull through all 3, and you carry on as you did in row 1, going in, yarn over, pull through to have 3 on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 3 in each stitch that you need to. Okay, so hopefully with that, even if you had to pause or slow me down, hopefully you have gotten to grips with the half double crochet. Always remember to do the one on the end. There's always the corner. Always remember to do the corner. So there's my half double crochets, nice and thick and fluffy. Now for the next row, I'm going to be doing double crochets. Again, generally speaking, when working in double crochets, we would chain 3 to make the height of the double crochet. So I've got my chain of 3 and turning. Again, we yarn over first and we go in, yarn over and pull through to have those 3 on our hook once more. Yes, I did skip one. Don't panic. 3 on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2 of those loops. So you end up with 2 left on your hook. Yarn over once more and pull through those remaining 2 on your hook. So you'll realize that the double is just a little bit taller than the half double. Yarn over, and in the next working stitch, in you go, yarn over and pull through, 3 on your hook, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through 2. Okay, yarn over into the next working stitch, yarn over, pull through, 3 on your hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through the remaining 2. Let's go again. Yarn over into the next working stitch, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and pull through 2, yarn over and pull through the remaining 2. And you should be able to see a little bit of a difference between your half doubles and your doubles. Let's take you to the end. Remember, you can always slow down the video. You can always pause. You can always rewind. You do what you need to do. Yarn over and in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, and yarn over, pull through 2. Don't forget that end. Don't forget the corner. Yarn over and in, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. And there we have our doubles and our half doubles. Okay. Oops. Nice contrasting orange hanky, I think. There we go. So there we have the basics for today. Hopefully they were of some use to you. If they were, please don't forget a thumbs up and maybe think about subscribing down below too. More tutorials each Tuesday. Thank you so much for joining. Take care. Bye-bye.